What if you could earn a real bachelor's degree from a top university without ever stepping into a classroom? And yes, it can be more flexible and sometimes more affordable than traditional college. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Coursera bachelor's degrees, how they work, how much they cost, and whether they're actually worth it. If you want to explore official degree programs, I've linked them below. Some may also have financial aid or limited time offers. Now let's start with the basics. Coursera itself is not a university. It's a platform that partners with accredited universities to deliver full degree programs online. So when you graduate, your degree comes from the university, not Coursera. And yes, these degrees are fully accredited, just like on-campus degrees, as long as the university is accredited. That means employers focus on the university name, not whether you studied online. Now, why are so many people choosing this route? The biggest reason is flexibility. You can study from anywhere and fit your degree around your life. This is especially useful if you are working or managing other responsibilities. Another big advantage is access. You can enroll in programs from universities around the world without relocating. And there's also the cost factor. Since everything is online, you avoid expenses like housing, commuting, and campus fees. Now, let's talk about what you can actually study. On Coursera, you'll find bachelor's degrees in areas like business, computer science, data science, and psychology. These are all career-focused fields designed for real-world job opportunities. So, how long does it take? A typical bachelor's degree takes around 4 to 5 years if you study full-time, but you can often speed things up. Some programs allow you to graduate in about 3 years, especially if you transfer credits or choose an accelerated path. Now let's talk about cost. Online bachelor's degrees can vary, but in many cases, they are more affordable than traditional programs. You also save money by not relocating or paying for campus living. Many programs offer financial aid, scholarships, and flexible payment options. So how do you apply? The process is similar to traditional universities. You may need your academic records and sometimes a personal statement. Some programs even allow you to start learning first and qualify for admission later based on your performance. Now, let's talk about the learning experience. Most programs are flexible and interactive. Some are fully self-paced, meaning you can learn anytime. Others include live sessions or a mix of both formats. So, is it worth it? For many people, yes. Bachelor's degree holders tend to earn more and have better job opportunities over time. And with more jobs requiring degrees in the future, this can be a strong long-term investment. This path works well if you want flexibility, if you are busy with work or life, or if you prefer studying from home while accessing global universities. If that sounds like you, it is definitely worth exploring. Check out the official Coursera degree programs using the link below. You can compare options, explore universities, and see if there are any current offers available.